Oh my fucking gosh. No shot that just happened. No shot that just happened. Yo. We are back. Today is Wednesday. We just already came up, swept London highs and Asia highs. And we have a big giant displacement going towards back to all-time highs. Like, I'm bullish all this month. Oh my God. This might be the Judas swing we're looking for. This is my trade-off open. Buy stops at these highs. I want to see us come back down. We're getting the inverse right here. This is kind of a crazy trade-off open, but you got to hear me out. Judas swing came up, swept Asia, inverse. We're getting this strong inversion. May have taken it a little early. The reaction off of this internal low is not that good. But because we are bullish, we did just get stopped out here. That was pretty quick. We are only down $379, which is fine. This definitely just got respected. And we probably should continue a little higher here. I wonder if there's like a 5-minute. Nah, there is, but we're not getting any reactions out of it. That was a kind of a wild front run on my end. I thought this was the Judas, but ended up not being it, which is, it's all good, bro. It's all good. It is all good. We have a little bit to play with. Not even to play with, but you gotta be a little bit aggressive here sometimes. All right, right now we're waiting for this to get inversed. Actually, no, we're not. We have a 5-minute fair value gap right here that we would like to see get respected, and then we'll catch continuation longs back up to here, and then probably try and hold for these daily swing levels. But this is a nice dump. I'd want to see this close and get respected, this 5-minute. But if we just get a crazy ass inverse, depending on the reaction after this close, would depend on what I do next here. Realistically, I want us to hold this 5-minute because we did just finally inverse this gap, but I want to see this get a decent push back up. Throw that off to the side. If we don't close super bearish here, like, I don't want to see us close too far below this 5-minute. I want to see us get a push up and then run this 1-minute. If we get a nice inverse, then we have clear targets, I believe. I believe we have clear targets, and that makes today a lot easier. So, we're going to wait to front run until until we get down to like 20 seconds. Gonna wait a little bit here. Just want to see our reaction out of this 1-minute. You got 10 seconds. It's happening for. See, this is why we wait. We might even get a better entry. We might wait. We might have to wait till the next candle opens, just to see if we continue this push out of here, because this is a nice rejection wick. I'm not gonna lie, off of sweeping another high. So, but I do expect this to hold, and if we do get a nice push out of this, I will front run this gap, this 1-minute gap. Make our wick low and then reverse, please. The last 20 seconds here should kind of reverse and push. There we go. All right. So we're in this long again. Stop loss at these lows. 5-minute is absolutely holding. Our stops are above both daily swing levels. This is a dollar amount to not only make up for the 400 we lost, but to try and get ahead on the account, get like that 750 on these 25K rapids. So we do have clear swing high levels. We just want to see us come up and run these highs. 116.75 points, 2.16 our trade. We're not going to go break even at a dumbass point like we do all the other times, and then I end up getting stopped out. I'm learning my lesson. This is the kind of reaction we want to see. Come back down into this wick and then absolutely displace out of it, targeting these highs up here. So it looks good, bro. It looks really good. We're in a position where price is bullish above this yellow line. Literally got a nice ass close. Our internal high just became our break of structure. I do want to be a little smart here, and I'm gonna take off 4, and then I'm gonna have our TP be where it was. I'm actually, what I'm gonna do is, at the top of our liquidity right here, I'm gonna take off 4 of my contracts. I'm gonna actually take some profits here, get out of drawdown, as well as get into profit a little bit. And then we're gonna leave a runner because we still are extremely bullish, and we could easily just keep going higher instead of just having a set target profit limit. And then once we hit that limit in our equity where it's getting involved with consistency rules, we'll take out and we'll exit the trade. It's looking really good, bro. I'm not gonna lie, it's looking really good. We can go break even right now. Clear break even trade. Already at 800. Oh, we just swept previous day's high. We're right next to sweeping other previous day's high. I will hold this shit. If you do not go up and tag my other draw on liquidity price, I will beat your ass, bruh. We know you want to go up and internally manipulate just because it's a previous day high. Go get your ass up there. Get your ass back up there and go take out my liquidity so I can get out of drawdown. Go get your motherfucking ass up there. Respect this 1 minute FEG and reverse price back up to internal highs right now. I ain't playing with you, price. I ain't playing with you. I don't want to see no inverse bullshit and then dump to my break even again. Even though you can and you will, which you have done, we have a sell limit at these highs, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You got to get me right. You got to get me right, Price. See, look at Price. Price trying to be a little naughty, trying to come back down here, trying to rage bait me into thinking we're inversing. When we all know every daily swing high, you internally manipulate at least once. So this internal manipulation is gonna tag my sell limit, and we have relative equal highs made from this my sell limit and the external high that you just made. If I'm price algorithm, I see that this is quite literally free money in the market. I'm going to go and take it. I'm going to take it. Look. I'm not lying to you. Price literally wants to go take this. Equal highs. These are resting probably billions of dollars of orders just sitting right here in between 30,073 and then 30,077. In between 4 points, there's probably a couple $1 billion just resting in between that. And you're telling me price isn't going to want to go up and say hi? What are we talking about? Go up and take my sell limit too while you at it. We're going to hold it until we hit price, until we hit TP. Go up there. Go up there. Like, we already got a change in the state, bro. Like, just go ahead. Imagine we just dump. That'd be crazy. Just a crazy dump. Come on, buyers. All right, I can't hold this no more. I ain't gonna lie. Once price holds and closes above this daily swing high level, because that's what's holding price lower, we'll be fine. But we just got to get that push higher. Probably, it's definitely gonna happen in the next candle. Hopefully. Oh, we're in a macro time. We should be straight. Nice wick up. Nice wick up. Nice wick up. Can we wick up, please? Nice wick up. Nice wick up. There we go. Oh, shit. Wick down is kind of crazy. Wick down is kind of crazy. Wick down is kind of crazy. This needs to be our sweep here. Like, I say need as in absolutely must in order for us to go up and target these highs. We need to respect this level. And this needs to be our next higher low on this whole entire leg. Cause goddamn, brother, this is as far as I'd want price to go. But realistically, if we're truly bullish, like extremely bullish like that, we want to see price stay above equilibrium, even though I'm pretty sure we just tapped it. I'm still bullish here. I'm holding this. Like this looks good for me. Still looks pretty good for me. This looks like what's happened yesterday, where we come up, damn near tap my TP, and then we just reverse, go to break even, and then go run higher. Like, I'm not I'm not doing that today, bro. Absolutely must need this to inverse right here. We get this inverse, we're running higher. Look at this, bro. Look at this, bro. Look at the stacked trend line liquidity we have resting right now. And we're just gonna go lower. Wow. We have stacked highs. Literally stacked highs. Hopefully we're respecting EQ of this range. This is our push. No way we just come down lower, sweep internals at OT or at equilibrium, and then we close this high with this wick and we just still dump. Unless we do, right? Unless we do. Dog, what's up with price action, bro? It's not looking good, but we need a break structure to kind of show us that we're still bullish. We have lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, another lower high. So this downtrend looks like this daily is pretty much holding price. So, but it is slow. It is a little slow. Like it's just stair stepping. This move, it was just a big kind of roof, kind of big move up. Let me look on ES and see what that boy is doing. Dow Jones, you don't get on my face. ES is distributing higher. We already broke structure. We're already bullish. Looks like we are too. We just broke structure. I want to see us inverse this now and then go target our highs. I think we could honestly kind of hold just because this is confirming our bullishness, because this should be a low resistance liquidity run. We should kind of just run these highs, all of them at once right now, because we are in our macro time. We just got our inverse. I can finally throw my stop loss back in this bitch. We could trail it and profit a little bit, but damn, bro, what's up with price today, man? Like, what's good with buddy? Oh my fucking gosh. No shot that just happened. No shot that just happened. No shot that just happened. And then we're just going to run higher. Holy fuck. Come on, bruh. That is crazy. That is crazy. What is that? What is that? Who just tweeted? Did someone just tweet something? Oh, yep. Someone just tweeted. What happened? I gotta see what happened. Oh, ISM services, PMI just drops. Wow. That's kind of crazy. I mean, I guess that's nasty work. How's news gonna fuck me up right now, bro? How the hell is news gonna be the thing that screws me today? That's why we didn't want to take out that high, bro. Like, we're right there. Wow, we're just gonna reverse. It's gonna confirm us being bearish down to these 4-hour lows, which means I could probably get in an entry somewhere on a retrace tap back up and then another dump back lower. What I will do though, I will set a sell limit for the amount that I need. Or not. Nice fill, nice fill, good fills, good fills, good fills. I want to see this 1 minute hold. First presented gap on this leg down after news just came out. We did get a change in the state of delivery, as well as our inverse fair value gap on the 1 minute after sweeping daily highs, and we failure swing our way all the way up here, and we just dumped after PMI just came out. So it is pretty good that we do see price go lower down to, I like to say, this change in the state level on the 15 minute. But if we just keep getting pushes higher and inversing shit and all this other stuff, it might be wraps. If we end up inversing this, then I'll probably, yeah, I probably gotta, wow. So it would have stopped me out just for it to continue to run higher. Like, realistically, I want to see price go lower here. And once we get this dump, if we get this dump, it doesn't look like we will. If/when we do, my stops will be at this swing high level right here. It looks like we're just getting more drive patterns higher. Regardless, this should probably be where my stop loss is, just because we're going to continue to run these highs. And here's me going short in a bull market once again. Yeah, I gotta get out this muff. All right, down 800 on the day. Probably going to go manipulate these highs again. Actually, if we inverse this 1 minute, I'll go long, but we just come back down and get a nice rejection off of this internal sweep, then I'll re-enter shorts. But I did want to, there we go. This is kind of the move we actually wanted to see. Shouldn't be getting internal manipulation on a 1 minute time frame. I kind of just want to hold here and see if I can get what I can out of this market. We already get this push out of this gap. We're respecting everything. PMI look like a big manipulation, and then we have all these draws toward these high. I blew the accounts. Okay. All right. All right. The accounts are gone. Wow. Yeah, what is this? 2 in 2 days, man? That's kind of crazy. 2 in 2 days, but it also turned out I was copy trading 3 accounts actually. So the real loss was about 3 accounts. So, you know, it is what it is, man. Definitely got edged once more, and then another break even hit, and then I couldn't control my, literally the same exact thing that happened yesterday happened today. But you know, it is what it is, bro. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Stay locked in, because we know I gotta motherfucking lock in with this price action. But stay locked in. Subscribe before I come through this camera and blow your account too. I'm gonna catch y'all tomorrow. Stay locked in.